Alan mekele. Hola.
Elders of Umuegwe, to what do I owe this unusual visit? I hope all is well.
My brother Nwafo, all is well. But in the other hand, all is not well.
So, tell me, why is the rabbit now found in the broad daylight?
We have come to see your daughter, Oledo.
My daughter? What has she done?
Elders of Umuegwe.
We greet you, Nwanyoma. Nwafo, is your daughter around?
Oh, yes, she went to the stream not long ago.
When is she coming back? When?
My elders, please, can you just tell us, what is the problem?
My fellow elders, since Oledo is not here, we will not go until she returns. Let us wait for her.
Hola, I'm greeting you. What is it now? Hola. Want from our daughter?
That I cannot tell.
Hey. But do you think she has done something bad?
No. Our daughter is not like all those other girls in this village, Umuegwe. She does not go about looking for trouble.
But why are they so mean about seeing her?
That is my worry.
Hi, Chimo.
I have pleaded with them to at least go home for now. When our daughter returns, we will come and inform them so that they can come and see her. Rather, they have insisted to stay seated there without saying a word.
there.
Yes, I know. But see,
Don't you think I should go and tell them to go?
No. You must not do such a thing.
Ma, I sense danger on their faces. How can we just sit and watch them stay like that?
My wife, don't worry. I know what to do. I know what to do. Yes. I know what to do. My fellow elders, I greet you all once again. My daughter is still not back. I wonder what is keeping her.
The same way we are worried.
Where is she? My elders, you can give us the message. Yes, give us the message. So when she comes, we'll pass it on to her, rather than sitting down here.
Well, since she's not yet back, we have to be on our way. But remember, we will still return back here this evening or first thing tomorrow morning.
Going without stating your mission, we'll leave our hearts hanging. Whatever it is, say it. We can bear it.
Don't worry, Mwafo. Our mission needs our presence, not you.
Elders of our land, I hope all is well.
Very much well, but for now, we have to be on our way.
Nine. All is not well.
Ola, wait. Ola. Wait, I want to talk to you. Wait.
What is it? You called me to stop me, so what do you want? Why are you acting as if we are quarreling? What have I done so wrong that you hate me so much? Ulima, you have not done anything wrong to me. Then what is it? Why don't you see me as a friend? Okay, what do you want? Tell me. What do you want? See, Oledo, I want you to be my friend. I want us to be friends. See, of all the maidens in this village, you're the one I see worthy of being called my friend. Ulima, as you can see, I have water on my head. And it is heavy. Yours might not be heavy, so I want to go home. Ola, is that what you're saying? Ola!
Madam, not go.
Mama.
No.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm there, you look at her.
No, Mama.
Thank you, Mama. The elders were here to see you.
Mama, the elders?
Yes.
What did they come for?
They didn't state their reasons.
But Mama, why?
I do not know. But they said they will be coming in the evening. Maybe in the evening or tomorrow morning. Chelupao. Onyi kwa furumania.
No, Mama.
What is your?
Nobody.
Did you look for anybody's trouble?
No, Mama.
Oledo, I am your mother. You can always confide in me.
Mama, nobody.
You want me to believe you?
Yes, Mama.
Sure?
Yes, Mama.
I believe you, my child. I believe you. Let's wait for them. Maybe this evening or tomorrow morning. Let's know their reasons.
Mama, let me help you.
Don't worry. Go and look for other chores and do. Forget this. Oh?
Mama, the new moon will soon be out again. And you know what it means, Mama? It means...
I know. I know. You shouldn't allow it to always make you feel sad. Huh?
Mama, I have every reason to feel bad. Mama, I have every reason.
I know. See, my child, if it were in our powers to change, your father and I would have changed it long ago. But it's not in our powers. It is your destiny.
Mama, it is an evil destiny.
Hey, Chino.
Why would the gods make me with such destiny? What did I commit as a child? Mama, am I an evil child?
Fiakwa. The gods forbid. You're not an evil child and you will never be. Your birth wiped tears away from our eyes. You brought joy and favor into this family until this destiny issue sprang up from nowhere.
Mama, do you know how I feel? Each time I remember that I can be dropped dead any moment because of my destiny, Mama. Mama, I feel like...
It's okay. It's okay. My child. It's okay, I know. Please. Don't feel bad. You have to accept your destiny the way you see it. One thing that should at least make you happy is that whenever you drop dead, there is a solution to bring you back to life. Enwam, uzukono, bikono Adam, uzukono. Bikono, ichoka unwo. Kuseno, inugo.
Good afternoon, my daughter. How are you?
Fine, Papa.
How are your parents?
They are fine. Papa, is Chetanna around?
No, he's not. He just went out not quite long ago.
Did he go to the farm?
No, he didn't go to farm. But I'm not very sure where he went.
Okay, I think I know where to find him.
You really do?
Yes, Papa.
Then go find him. Good luck.
Okay,
my daughter, good luck.
That was melodious. No doubt, you are the best flutist in our land.
Thank you. Did my father tell you I'm here?
No, he did not. He does not even know where you are.
So how did you find me?
Cheta, I've known you for so long. And I know you normally come here for your rehearsals.
I almost forgot.
Cheta, what is happening?
What do you mean?
What is going on between us, you and I? What is happening?
I do not understand.
Cheta, What is happening between us? You suddenly stop coming to check on me. You don't even care anything about me. What is going on?
Summer, please. This is not the time to talk about this.
Then when is the right time? When is the right time to talk about it? When?
Yeah. Is it by force? Huh?
Chetanna, please, because then stop this. Cheta.
I'm done with my rehearsal.
Cheta, my love. Cheta. Chetanna.
Greetings, Papa.
Oh, my priceless Ola. How are you today?
I'm good.
Oh, may our gods be praised.
Thank you, Papa. Hey, Papa, is Cheta around?
No, he's not.
Okay.
Do you have any message for him?
Not really, Papa. I just want to see him.
He's not around.
Okay. Papa, do you have any idea where he went to?
I really don't know where he went to. I don't have an idea.
Okay, Papa. I have to be on my way now.
Is that so? That's all right. But please, send my greetings to your father.
I will.
You know he's my very good friend.
I know, Papa.
That's all right.
Okay, Papa. Bye-bye.
What is it?
Please.
What is it?
Please, I need to talk to you.
Talk about what?
Cheta, why are you bringing up this attitude? Is it because of Oledo?
Whatever you say, do not bring Oledo into this. Can you hear me?
Then why are you treating me this way? Why? Is it the love you confess you have for me?
The love died when you betrayed me and went for Ikedi.
I did not betray you. You
only dumped me for Ikedi, right?
No, Cheta. You did not understand the whole thing. I did not. Please, hear me out.
Can you just listen to me? Get a grip of yourself and know that nothing happened between us. Simple.
Cheta, please. I can't afford to lose you for any other woman. Be cousin, please.
Let me advise you. Go somewhere and cool your head. That is what you need now.
Cheta.
Do not
Cheta.
hold me.
Chetanna. Cheta. Cheta. Cheta.
Thank you for the cola. That's all right. Some custom. So, like I said earlier, my name is Dike, the son of Anozie from Ugunta, your neighboring village here.
Anozie?
Yes.
The herbalist?
Yes, ma'am.
Was your father?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Anozie was a well-known herbalist, and we all loved and respected him. Chai. So why have you come to see me?
I'm a hunter. I go from bush to bush, setting traps for animals. But before I can do that, I normally go to the owner of the land to ask for permission, especially when it is a land outside our own village.
Oh, that's very good of you. That's very thoughtful. It's a sign of honesty and humility.
Thank you. So, there is one land at Ohiato.
Ohiato?
Yes, you know the place.
The boundary between us and...
Okay,
yes.
Yes, that land, I want to set up traps there. So I started making inquiries about the land. They directed me to you. They said you are the owner of that land. So I said, let me come and see you before I can set my traps now.
I have no problems with that. The thing is that it's about 5 years now I've not entered that farmland. Meaning that there are so many animals there now. You are going to make a lot of profit.
Thank you.
So that when you take the games, don't forget to do something.
Nah, I know what to do.
Go ahead and set your trap.
Thank you.
I wish you good luck.
Thank you. Now I'll be on my way now.
Please do. Take care.
You know this part, let me be good. Thank you now.
The son of a good man behaves like the father.
Mama.
Oh, Mama. You are welcome.
Yeah, you are welcome.
Yes, so I'm trying to pick these things, select the ones that are dry already. So, how did it go?
No.
Were you able to see the man?
Yes, I did. I saw him.
So what did he say?
He accepted.
Eh? I told you. I told you that Umigwe people are very good people.
No, you are correct. They are very good. I noticed that today.
Hey, so what is your next plan?
My next plan is to rest for a while, then get my working materials and start going back to Umuigwe now.
You want to go back to Umuigwe now?
Not immediately, but today I'll go back there to set up the traps.
Mba. That should be first thing tomorrow morning. You have to rest the whole of today.
Mama.
Echiga Agaba.
Mama, if you said so.
Echiga Agaba.
What do you want me to say again? Let me rest now.
Why? There's food inside. You can't carry your food for him to go.
I bring greetings to this house.
Ezedibia, you're welcome. May the gods forgive me if I tell you that I am not surprised to see you in my place.
Yes.
What has brought out the spotless antelope of our land to my place?
Spotless, you rightly said. Mwafo, the secret of the vagina can never be seen unless it is opened with the bare hands.
Yeah.
I come to see Oledo, your daughter.
My daughter. What is the problem? What has she done?
When the load becomes too heavy for the neck to carry, it then transfers it to the shoulder.
Ezedibia, you speak in very strong words, and I cannot understand.
Your daughter has the solution we seek. Tell her to see me immediately she returns.
Ezedibia, I've heard you. We will deliver the message to her when she comes back.
There is trouble.
I know.
There is trouble. Hi.
Kezi, have you eaten?
Mama, I'm not hungry. Besides, I'm in a hurry. let me hurry to the farmland and check those of my traps. You know, I didn't go there yesterday. Yes, let me go.
I know you didn't go there yesterday, man. And now you have to eat before you leave now.
Mama, don't worry. Let me go.
Don't stay too long, go.
No. I'm not doing anything there. Immediately I go there, check the trap, I will report immediately.
Dike. Anya mata mbada. Mata mwewe.
Nemoma, I am not going anywhere. I will not. How can the Ezedibia walk in here and tell me Oledu to come and see him? See him for what?
Well, my child, we do not know. But I am convinced from the inside that whatever reason that made the Ezedibia to come looking for you is of good, not of bad.
How are you sure?
My daughter, we are talking about the chief priest of Umigwe here. The Ezedibia. The gods we see. If he wants you to come see him, that means the gods want you to come see them.
Why? What do I have to do with the ghosts? First, it was the elders that came. Now the Ezedibia. What is going on? What have I done?
You've done nothing wrong, my child. Just go and see him. Then you will know where all these are coming from. You know, go.
I am sorry. I will not.
Makagine.
Cheta, good afternoon.
What are you doing here?
Cheta, I know you are still angry the way I reacted, but I want to say I am sorry.
Let's discuss this some other time, yeah? Leave first. Later.
Are you asking me out of your house?
If that is what you call it.
Very well then. I shall be on my way.
Bye-bye.
Jabala Jamba. Jamba. Jabala Jamba. Jamba. Jabala Jamba.
Women are like the eggs of an eagle. They need to be pampered. I hate when you treat Oledo this way.
How else am I supposed to treat her? Like a queen?
Even more than a queen.
More than a queen?
Yeah, of course, yes.
Why? Why will I treat her more than a queen? Who is she? Ha. But let me remind you. So many maidens in this village. In fact, all the maidens in this village, I am sure they will kill themselves just to have me talk to them. So why will I be bothering myself over this one?
My son.
Father.
There is more to life than what you see. I know you are doing this to her because you already know that her life depends on you. But let me tell you, listen. The person you help today might be the one that will help your entire family tomorrow. Please.
Father, just leave me and Oledo. I know how to handle her.
elders of our land, I greet you.
It's great you. You are welcome.
My daughter, the elders are here. Fellow elders, please, tell us what you have to say.
My daughter, I know you have been wondering why I have been coming here looking for you. You are the one to help the people of Umigwe. Umigwe needs your help now.
My help? And how?
Yes, my daughter. You see, you are a child of destiny. And everyone in Umigwe knows that. And the time is right for you to use your destiny.
I still don't understand.
Something bad is about to happen on Umigwe. And if we allow this to happen, it will affect both the old and the young. You are the only one that can stop this from happening.
My elders, what is this problem that wants to affect our land? And what has my daughter got to do to solve the problem?
This is making it too farming season. Since Ugebe, the priestess of Minioma, died, that river, which all of us know, is the biggest river in Umigwe. It has been without a priestess.
Miriama is not happy with Umigwe, and she promised to pay us back with evil.
And what is it that Miriam wants from me? What is it?
Adam, hapo ha. Bia ka na kpo biko na chietigo.
But Mama, I don't want to become the priestess. I don't want it, Mama.
You will do no such thing. Not while I'm still alive. You know go?
But why did the gods choose me?
Whatever their reasons are, it holds no water as far as I'm concerned. Inania, let me ask you. Do you know what is involved in becoming the priestess of Miroma? Do you know?
That means I will have to dedicate all my life to serving the goddess.
Not only that, you will no longer get married, meaning I will not have my own grandchildren. Impossible. Amane! Here!
So Mama, what do we do now?
Relax. First thing tomorrow morning, your father will be going to see Ezedivia. And he will talk with him. After that, we know what next to do. So relax. Relax. Kaina bona cheji ko biko. Kaina ba. Echezi ni fonso. Inugo. Yeah. Oh.
The gods are wise. You see, they make decisions on their own. And what can we mortals do?
Ezedibia, the gods are to give us favor and protect us. Is that not so?
You are right.
So, why do they have to now make decisions that can hurt us?
I know how you feel.
No, you don't know how I feel. You don't know how I feel.
Of course I do. That was why I said the gods are wise. Wherefore, your worry is that Oloido is your only child. Giving her to serve Miriama is like making you childless all of a sudden.
Exactly. She's my only child.
Listen, let me tell you. Let me remind you. Ochanja has only one child. And that one child is me. Now look at me. I'm here, serving the gods.
Ezedibia, this is not fair. This is absolutely not fair.
If I will advise you, I will say you keep your fingers crossed. After all, the gods have not finally concluded that your daughter is choosing.
If you people ask my opinion concerning this year's competition, I'll say that the people of Amawons will be very prepared for us.
I know. But at the same time, no matter how prepared they are, they are no match for us at all.
At all, that is true. I know. It's certain.
Yes, sir.
When we have somebody like Oledo, matter is finished. Because once he comes out with that astonishing dance step, winning is our own now. Competition has ended.
And if I'm not there to play the flute, for her to display the astonishing dance steps that you are talking about, how are we going to win? Tell me.
Why are you talking like this? Why won't you be there to play the flute for her? Or is there anything you're not telling us?
Anything like what?
About Oledo. Are you having any issue with her?
Me, I don't have any issues with her. My own is that I do not like her anymore. Simple. I'm just helping her because it's my destiny. Something like that.
Chetanna, just hear yourself talk. Just hear Chetanna talk. It is your destiny to save her. And here you are, saying that you don't like her anymore, when you know too well that the gods has given you the destiny to save her. Chetanna, let me tell you, you and Oledo, like this, both of you are meant for each other.
Yes.
I've told you.
Meant for each other.
Cheta, do you know what your problem is? You are not just satisfied with one woman. That's your problem.
Okay, you can say whatever you like. That's your business. All I know is that Oledo is not a match for Chetanna.
Was he good?
What do you think is not good about her? Do you know how many men that are ready to kill themselves just to come close to her?
Do you know the number of maidens that are also ready to kill themselves just to come close to me? Do you know? Do you know?
Greetings.
Oma, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Any problem? Ogini.
Can we talk in private?
Private? Come.
Annually, my friend, when the eyes can no longer withstand what the ears have heard, it begins to drop water. I am just coming from Ezedibia's place.
Okay.
I went to see him regarding the decision of the gods that my daughter is going to be a priestess to Miriama.
Oh yes. I even thought of coming to see you over the same issue. So how do you look at it?
You are asking me how do I look at it?
Yes, I mean, what's your decision?
My decision? My daughter will not be a servant to any god or goddess.
My friend, Nafa, this matter is like a two-edged sword. If you don't handle it with care, it might boomerang and hurt you.
Aniele, nothing will happen to me, nor my family. She cannot become a priestess of Mirioma. She is my only child. She cannot become a servant to Mirioma.
My friend, don't you think something might go wrong if you refuse your daughter doing according to the wish of the gods?
Aniele, nothing will happen to me, nor my family. My daughter is not going to be a servant or a priestess to Mirioma. That is final.
So, what's the outcome of your visit to Ezedibia?
Well, what can he say? He told me that the gods are still consulting with the gods, that he's going to get back to me. And that's just what he told me.
All right. If that be the case, I think there's no need for you to panic. Just be calm and wait until you hear from him.
I don't care whatever he has to say. I don't care whatever he has to say. All I know is that my daughter, my only child, will not become a servant to Mirioma. Simple. And that is final.
Okay. I have heard you. And I will think about what you said. I want you to know this. I need a caring woman. A woman who will take very good care of me. And may we walk. I get easily provoked. So I do not want to hurt anybody with my provocation.
I know. And I swear never to get you angry all the days of my life. Cheta, you see, you are the man I've been dreaming to have as a husband. I will do just anything. Anything to keep you to myself. Cheta, I love you so much.
No problem. I've heard you.
Cheta, please don't turn me down. I love you so much.
When did you return? Nine. This is when your face is like this. What did the Ezedibia say? I just hope all is well.
Once he has anything to tell us, there's nothing good he has to say. Absolutely nothing good.
Does it mean our daughter will still become the priestess of Miroma or what?
I wish I knew. But I don't know for now.
Hey! Chimo. Okansi. Hey!
Women of Umuigwe, I greet you. We greet you too. You are welcome.
Thank you.
Some of you know the reason why we are gathered today at this meeting. Some of you may also not know. And I want to tell all of us why we are gathered together this evening. The gods of our land has chosen the next priestess of Mirioma. And you know, as tradition demands, that we need to begin to prepare...
excuse me. Please, I have a question to ask.
Oh, Nyoma, go ahead.
Thank you. I don't really have much to say. It's just one question. But let it not be as if it's an insult. It's not, though. It's as it is from my heart. Please, am I not in this village? How come the gods chose another priestess of Mirioma and I'm not aware?
Eziako, we don't really understand you again. Does it mean that you have forgotten that the gods have chosen your daughter Oledo to be the next priestess of Mirioma?
It's your daughter that will become the next priestess of Mirioma.
Hey, don't talk to me like that.
I shouldn't talk to you like that.
Yes.
See who is talking. Oh. So this is the reason for this meeting. All of you are in support. Look at their faces. So all of you are in support of my daughter becoming the next priestess. Fear! Yes,
why are you talking like this? Eh? What is the problem?
My daughter will never become the priestess of Mirioma or any other deity. And over my dead body will I give her to Mirioma.
Wow.
But that's the son of the gods, not ours. Why are you doing this? Let the gods choose from another family. Maybe from your family. Definitely not my daughter. Not my only child. Dalon.
Come, Waf. I'm going to your house.
My place?
Yes.
I hope there's no problem.
For now, there is no problem. But soon, there will be.
Okori, I do not understand you. Do you now go around in the village predicting problems?
Wafa, I heard that you refused your daughter of becoming the priestess of Mirioma. Oh, Wafa, why?
Is that why you are coming to my place?
Yes.
Please, go back home. Please, go back home.
Wafa, do you realize that it's the gods that choose your daughter?
Okori, I don't want to be disrespectful. Okay? Go back to your home. Go back to your home.
Look at this young man. Wafa! Wafa! It's alright. We shall see.
Papa, have you seen it? Huh? You see why I always tell you that? I do not like that girl. You see it? She is possessed.
My son, that is not very correct. The fact that the gods chose Oledo to be the next priestess of Miriama does not mean that she's possessed.
Anumanu, of all the maidens in Umuigwe, why Oledo? Why her?
You see, the gods wouldn't have chosen everybody. They chose only one person, and that person is Oledo.
Fine, I'm still asking the question. Why her? There must be a reason.
Look, that is the decision of the gods. That's our custom. That's our tradition.
But I do not agree with you. I don't even know why you people cannot see this thing. I have seen it. The gods choose her because she has an evil destiny. How do you describe such a thing? A girl who just dies at the rise of every new moon. And then I'm the only person who knows how to sing a song that will bring her back to life. What do you call that? It's obvious the gods chose her because of that evil destiny that she has.
No, my son. I'm telling you, my son, from the wealth of experience of my old age,
what Olido has is not an evil destiny.
What then do you call a destiny that makes a person drop dead at the rise of every new moon? What do you call it? Okay, think about this, Father. You know, me, I'm a very busy person. I have a lot of things in my head. What if something happens for some reason I forget how to sing that Egundu? What will happen to her?
My son, we have a proverb that says that whosoever that sends a toddler to go and pick up the excrement of a goat will normally provide water for him to wash his hands on return.
Father, all I know is that Oledo is possessed by an evil spirit, a water spirit. Yes, and that's exactly why the gods chose her to be the priestess of Miriama. Simple. Which is even okay for me. Oh, Father, listen now, let me tell you, see it this way. It's even okay for me. Because now that she will soon become the priestess of Miriama, if anything happens to her and she drops dead, very simple. Miriama will sing Egundu for her. She will get up, they continue their business. By then, me, I'm long gone.
It's not so. Remember, you are talking of the decision of the gods. So please, do not say things that will hurt you or hurt my family.
Father, I'm not continuing anything.
You have to.
I'm not continuing anything.
You have to.
After all, how much have I been paid for the one I've been singing since?
It's your destiny.
It is not my destiny.
It's your destiny.
I do not agree with you.
It's your destiny.
In fact, let me even tell you, if I happen to sing Miriama, I will thank her very, very well. I will thank her and say, thank you, carry my burden, let me go and rest. Which is good for me. At least now I can concentrate on other things. Concentrate on my music. Do my farming, do fishing, do other things. Another person can now sing for her. Why not go to him?
Where is Chetanna, your son? I have come to see him.
See him?
Yes.
Eye of the gods. Is there any problem?
I have a message for him from the gods. Fetch him immediately.
Chetanna. No. Bikobia. Come immediately, please.
Wise one, I greet you.
I greet you, my son. I bring a message from our all-knowing gods.
Message from the gods. What message?
Cheta, you have been chosen to serve Mirama, the river goddess.
Yeah, I do not understand.
The gods chose you to serve Mirama with Oledo.
But that is not possible. Huh? No way! That is not possible. Why?
Sorry, wise one, eye of the gods. From our age-long tradition, it's only women that always serve Miriama. Yes. How come that they now turn around? The gods now turn around to choose my handsome son to come and serve them. How? Why?
Yes.
A woman.
So why?
It is his destiny to sing the Egundu as to bring back Oledo to life whenever she drops dead. And that is why the gods chose him.
That is not possible. And yes, you just call them the all-knowing gods. That means they should know how to sing the Egundu. So why are they disturbing me? Huh? If she falls dead, let them sing Egundu for her and then she'll get up and they continue their business. Why are they disturbing me? I say no.
The gods are always right in whatever decision they take.
I do not agree with you, wise one. If the gods are so wise, then why choose a man to do a woman's job? And I why?
Watch what you are saying, son, before you incur the wrath of the gods.
No other wrath can be as bad as choosing me to serve Miriama. I will not.
My son, please calm down. There has to be a way out.
Father, let them work it out. I'm a man. I will speak my mind. I'm not afraid of anybody. How can you choose me to do a woman's job? I've been singing the Egundu for her diligently. I've not been complaining all these years. Now you are saying I should join her to go and serve a date. I say no. It is not possible. Go and tell the gods that I said I will not do it.
When the time is right, we shall see.
Yes, we shall see.
Cheta! Hey! You were rehearsing just not quite long ago. What happened? You slept off?
I slept off.
Oh. Oh, my son.
So it was a dream.
What dream?
Hey, but I had a dream. Serious dream. In the dream, Ezedibia came here. He said that Olaido and I were chosen to serve Miriama.
No. Not you, my son. Not you. Never. The gods forbid. It can't be. Can never happen.
The dream was so real. So real.
Thank the gods. It was just a mere dream. Don't get perturbed. Just a mere dream.
So such a thing can never happen.
No, my son. By our tradition, no man has ever served Miriama. No. It is only women that are chosen to serve Miriama. Not man. Not even you, my son. It cannot start from you. Never. I call you. Come, let me show you what I had in the room.
Okay. But Father, I'm still worried. Are you saying that such a thing can never happen?
Never. It has never happened. It cannot start with you. Never. Never.
Mama, why me? Mama, why me? I feel like ending it once and for all. Mama, I want to die.
Ola, do not say that. You will not die. What if you get Meggy?
But Mama, why would the gods choose me to become the priestess? Why?
That is the question. That is the question neither your father nor I could answer. Adam, we do not know why.
Mama, I don't want to be the priestess. I don't want it, Mama.
Neither do we want our only child to become the priestess of Miriama. Please, my child. Your father is doing everything within his power to make sure he finds solution to this. All you need to do is just be strong for us. Inugo, be strong for us.
Mama, I have never seen where the gods made decision and still changed their mind. I'm not, Mama.
Not in this case. Ola, not in this one. They must change their mind though. They must change their mind.
Mama,
See.
Mama.
Please, don't you ever in your life utter such words again. I want to die. Instead, I will die before you even think of dying.
Mama, no.
Mama. It's okay.
Mama.
Ogini, what are you doing here again?
Cheta, nothing. I came to see you.
See me for what?
Cheta, can't you see? Can't you see that the gods have answered our prayers? Can't you see that we are meant for each other?
What are you talking about?
Okay, now listen. The gods have chosen Oledo to become the next priestess of Umiroma. As such, she will not be getting married to any man. Her whole life will be given to the river goddess.
And how does that concern you?
Can't you see that the gods did this for us? They did it to remove the obstacle between us.
Fine, I've heard you. Turn around and leave my compound.
Cheta, please, stop this. You know I love you so much, and I believe that you still love me. Just that you don't want to show it. Please stop this and be a man.
Huh? I should be a man. I go into this hut, come out and you are still here. You not like what I'll do to you.
Chetanna, because Nkem, Cheta. Here comes the priestess of Miroma. I greet you. I don't want to believe you're going to Chetanna's place. Or are you?
Summer, what is it again? What do you want from me?
Oh, sorry. My priestess. Can't you see? Can't you see that you are not meant for Chetanna? If you were, why then did the gods choose you? I advise you go home. Go and start practicing on how to serve the river goddess. Rather than start falling in love with my man, my Cheta. And for your information, I'm just coming back from my Chetanna's place. He told me that he can never, ever have anything to do with you. So my dear priestess, as you can see, you are just alone to serve the river goddess.
Is it not better for her to serve the goddess than for you to throw yourself on a man who doesn't know you exist or not?
Ulima, who invited you here and what is your business?
My business, Summer, is for you to wait. Wait for a man that loves you to come. Instead of throwing yourself on a man that doesn't want you. To fiakwa, you're a disgrace to womanhood.
I can see that you want to buy the matter all to yourself. But let me ask you. Can you withstand my wrath? Can you?
Lele, look at who is talking about wrath.
I should be asking you if you can withstand my wrath.
Oh, really? I think it's high time I'll teach you a lesson. I'll teach you a lesson that you will never forget in a hurry. So when next, you learn how to mind your business.
Come now.
Eye of the gods, you are welcome.
I bring you greetings from the gods.
I greet them too.
The ways of the gods are not the ways of men. I bring you message from the gods.
I and my family, Ezitibia, are very eager to hear what the gods have to say.
The stone in the midst of the river does not feel the pains from the rain, except the water dries off the stone. Your daughter, Oledo, is not qualified to be the priestess of Miroma.
Ezitibia, why is she not qualified?
That is because you are from the descendants of Uri, the great grandson of Mbele. The priestess of Mirama must be chosen from the descendants of Utobo, not Uri. And that is why your daughter is not qualified to be the priestess of Mirama. These are the message from the gods. But remember, I am just a born mouth. I speak what the gods ask me to say. I have to take my leave now.
Very well, farewell. Indeed, the gods are wise. Finally.
Gods of our land, what is the meaning of this omen? Have I not delivered this message? What else have I not said? Speak. Your servant is listening. What? Only it again? Gods of our land. This will bring a very big confusion in our land. How can I go back and tell them that? No. What a confusion. How can I?
My good friend, wherefore? The whole thing is sounding so strange to me.
Annually, my friend. Indeed, it is very strange. The Ezedibia came to my house yesterday and he said to me, I quote him, "Your daughter is not qualified to be a priestess of Miriama."
Just like that?
Just like that. If you see the joy that came into me. When he said it.
So, my good friend, what do we call this? Do we call it the mistakes of the gods? Or do gods also make mistakes? Like mere mortals?
You can call it anything you want to call it. In fact, whatever you want to call it, call it. For me, what is important is that my daughter is not going to be a servant to any deity.
You're right.
That's my joy.
Well, I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
If I say I'm not happy, I lie.
Annually. There's more drink.
I know.
It's plenty.
Just drop it.
We'll
massacre it today.
Where is this woman, self? Eziako!
This is unbelievable. Now, tell me, how do we explain that the gods, after making their decisions, went back and changed their decisions?
My brother, everyone is surprised at it. Could you believe that just few days ago, I asked my father about this particular issue of Oledu refusing to become the next priestess of Mirioma. And guess what my father told me? He said that the decisions of the gods are final.
Yes.
And that was what my father told me too.
What then went wrong? I don't just know why the gods just suddenly changed their mind. Or do you want to tell me that Mirioma no longer needs a priestess or what?
How can you say a thing like that? Have you not been in this village? Has Miriama ever been without a priestess? If Miriama no longer needs a priestess, then what else does it need? Or do you want it to turn around and start killing our people?
If that is the case, my fellow youth, my question now is, why then did the gods change their mind after choosing Oledu?
Nobody can predict the minds of the gods. As for me, I would suggest that we keep our fingers crossed for now and watch what the gods have in mind. Like my father always says, that the gods are wise.
Yes, indeed, the gods are wise. Let us watch them display their wisdom.
Let us hope and pray that whatever the outcome is, let it not turn around to hurt us.
Okay. Is this not an omen? All through my life, I have never seen such a thing. How can the gods make a decision? All of a sudden, they change their mind.
It gives me concern too. But on the second thought, the wisdom of the gods and not the wisdom of men.
Do you not sense danger? Do you not perceive the wrath of Minoma from a distance?
My brother, I fear too. Ejibotu judge me. I feel that this might not end well. I'm afraid.
Yeah, what do you suggest we do next?
See, it's too early to start guessing what tomorrow holds for us. The bad and the good lies in the hands of the gods. Let us wait until we hear from them.
Chetanna. Now you gotta go, Chetanna. Now you please hurry. Mother, it's me, your mother. Talk to me. Look at your mother. Talk to me. Because don't do this. Let me help you carry her. No, you can't carry her. Go, Chetanna. Now you hurry. Hurry. Please, my daughter, don't do this to me. Maybe Kono. No, Zubi.
My friend, what is it?
Where's your son?
He's not around.
Where did he go to?
I don't know. He left this morning.
My daughter has just dropped dead. Hey, my own is finished. Hey, gods of my fathers. Is this how I'm going to lose my daughter?
I think he must have gone to his friend's place.
Who is that, his friend? Please,
let me take you.
Please, let's go there. Please, let's go there. Eh? Go.
I hope there's no problem. We are looking for him. Where is he?
He's not in my place. We are even coming to your house to see him. Chimo! God of our fathers, show us where he is.
We want to see him. We want to see Chetanna.
I think I know where we can.
Let us go. Let us go. Let us go.
Papa, he's not here. I thought we could find him here because he normally comes here to rehearse his flute. Hey, Aniele, is it not obvious that the end of my life has come? Eh?
My friend, please take it easy. Let us think of an alternative.
What alternative? Since Chetanna is nowhere to be found, the longer we waste time here, the more her spirit journeys far into the land of the dead. And if Chetanna comes late, who knows whether he'll be able to bring back her spirit?
Okay. Please, hold your breaths. Hold your breaths. Just calm down. Where else can we look for him? Where else?
Follow me.
Praise be to the gods.
What is it, Papa?
We have been looking for you everywhere.
Is there any problem?
Yes, there's a big problem. Oledo has just dropped dead. And we needed to rush down to Wafa's place for you to sing the Ogundo and bring her back to life.
Please, my son, please. We have been searching all around for you. Please. Please.
Nangwano, let us go.
Papa, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I'm not going anywhere. I told you before, I made up my mind. I will not sing the Egundu for her again. I'm not going.
What did you just say, Cheta?
Exactly what you heard, Papa. I'm not going anywhere.
Cheta?
Ogini.
What has gone?
Learn it. If you don't know something in life, you learn it. When you learn it, it will become your destiny.
Cheta, please.
Ogini.
Please don't do this now. Biko. Biko.
Chetanna. What in the name of the gods has come over you? What's wrong with you? Let us go and revive this girl.
Please, my son, I beg you in the name of the gods. Please, come and bring my daughter back to life. Please. That is the person you call your only love. She's already yours. Please, just come and sing the Egundu song that will bring her back to life for me. Cheta, please.
Cheta. You don't have to. Get up. Wafo, get up. Get up. You don't need to do this. Please, get up. Get up.
baba sunobe na mana baba kapila kuko alile bo monya ya dema kampobo nemu nodi na bewonyo anja nugu na bo bagoto nengo igwe no lo ko de luno de na abo bagoto ibena mami obi ko bagoto jo nengo igbo okundu kan de kwebo oboti wanyi mo lebe onye na meribe ni be na meriyo okwa wil wata na kan leriyo oledo be nulo no munande na mo mu baje ke na tabo iyali rede ndimo gina mo ayele kero oledo wana tabo oledo nanu wo na ligo minio oledo na bula mo jigina po mado kan na jo obo mako obo mado kan na jo ko bo banjo ibe bula biye bibe jigina na efo na tata ko yebo obo ko echina jabona odina le fuyo ni adiole Nengo de nyeli ma Bana lusi mali gogo ya nyeli ma ko Eji mabona ko le panatena Anja moja kwani te modu na wete ma
My daughter, please cheer up. You know how I hate to see you like this. Hmm?
Mama, what kind of life is this? Mama, I am tired of this life. I can't take it anymore. I just want to die.
Stop. Oledo, stop it. Mama. Nothing will happen to you. Mama. You will not die.
Mama, don't say that. I just want to die and end this miserable life.
It's okay, my child. I know how you feel. We, your parents, even feel worse than you think you are feeling right now. Huh? Uzugo.
Cheta made Papa to kneel down and pleaded with him just to come and sing the Egundu for me, Mama, now.
Don't let that bother you. Let it go. Here.
What kind of life is this? Mama, what kind of life is this? A life that I have to depend on.
My daughter, it is not your fault.
At all.
Everything that you are passing through, none of it is your fault.
Oh.
Yes.
Whose fault? Papa, tell me, whose fault? Or am I caused?
To fear what?
Before we even begin to talk about you being caused, my daughter, there are certain things you need to know now because you are of age. Yes. Now that you are of age, there are certain things that you need to know.
Exactly.
You are the incarnation of my late mother.
Is it the one, Mama?
Am I Zoko?
Is it one Nedim?
Yes. My mother was a very good dancer in our land.
That's true, my daughter. And that was why she was called Obebuwanyoma.
Her popularity made her to be known far and near.
That's what God.
Then, Daniele, my friend, just got married, and he had a son called Chetanna. Chetanna was the only child that came very close to my mother. And because of the love that my mother had for him, she took him as her grandchild. At that time, your mother here and I, we just got married.
It's true.
We had not given birth to any child. My mother is the composer of that Egundu. Yes. As at that time, Chetanna was barely 3 years old. Yes, he was barely 3 years old. Because of the love my mother had for him, she taught him how to play the Egundu. So much so that my mother believed that if she dropped dead now, once Chetanna sings that Egundu, it will bring her back to life.
That is true, my daughter. But unfortunately, she was murdered on her way to Umuoma for their new moon dancing competition. We later found out that she was killed by her rivals. There was nothing your father and I could do then. We left everything in the hands of the gods. And after 1 year, the gods blessed us with a beautiful girl. And we named her Oledo. And that child is you, my daughter.
That is not all, my daughter. As is customary, or like is expected of our tradition, your mother and I went to meet with the chief priest to make divination about you. And there we were told that you are an incarnation of my late mother.
It's true.
My late mother died at the rise of a new moon. That is why today, once the new moon wants to come out, you drop dead.
And it's only Chetanna that can sing that Egundu song for you to come back to life.
Yes.
Papa, why only Chetanna? Why then did no other person learn how to sing the Egundu? Why only him, Papa? Mama?
You talk like a child that you are.
Exactly. My daughter, that song is not just any kind of song. It's a very serious song. It is not ordinary.
Yes.
It is not ordinary. Even if anyone decides to sing it, it cannot bring you back to life.
At all.
My mother taught Chetanna how to sing that song and cast a spell on him. It is only the gods that can remove that spell. That is why you see today, even if some people try to learn the song, it has no effect.
At all.
It's only Chetanna who can come and play the Egundu that can bring you back to life.
Papa, that means there is no solution to my problem. I have to live with these pangs all through my life. Eh, Papa? Mama?
My child. You never can tell. The gods might decide to change their mind. Hola! Ola! Where is she going? Ola! She refused to come back with me.
The gift of life, the song of life, so costly, only the gods know the price to pay.
Cheta!
The gift of life,
Cheta! Cheta!
the song of life, so costly, only the gods know the price.
Cheta, how could you? How could you do this to me? After all the love you confessed to me.
What are you talking about?
Cheta, do you still love me?
Just cut the chase and go straight to the point. Why are you here?
My father told me everything. He told me how he knelt down, begging you to come and sing the Egundu to the only one you claim you love back to life. Have I wronged you?
Ola, I never loved you.
What did you say?
You heard me.
Cheta, you lie. You lie, Cheta. I know you love me. If you don't, why then do you come and sing the Egundu for me each time I drop dead? Why then do you come and bring me back to life? Why?
I do it because I grew up singing it for you. And because if I do not do it, nobody else will. I was made to understand that I am the only person who can bring you back to life with the Egundu. But I have tried. All my life has been about you. Just you. Bringing you back to life. I need to have my own life. I have tried for you. I cannot continue doing this. I'm done.
I hear you right. Please. Don't leave me. You hold my life. How will you feel if you hear that the only thing that keeps you alive is leaving you? Should I save my life? I would do anything to please you. I wish I could be your wife.
Like I said before, I am done. I cannot continue like this. I have done this enough. From this point on, you handle yourself, okay? I've tried my best, please.
Cheta, don't leave me, please. If you leave me, I will die.
Bam bam. Mmadụ nọkwa ebe a. Bam bam. Na lele. You are Chetanna the flutist, am I right? I really have heard a lot about your skills in flute.
Thank you.
Okay, I am a hunter from Mugunta.
Hunter from Mugunta. DK?
Yes.
Oh.
From Mugunta.
Oh yes. My father has told me a lot about you and your hunting skills.
He did? Anyway, is he around?
No, he's not. He went out a while ago.
Anyway, I came up with something. You will keep this for him. Yeah, keep it for him. When he returns, tell him that DK from Ugunta came. And this is what I brought for him. Don't forget.
You did very well.
I'll be on my way now.
Thank you.
As it is now, I will tell you, let us just start. Because as it stands now, we don't have time. Yes. So let's start playing some little music. So that before they will come now, we will now start fully. Yes. So, Amadi, oh yeah, carry this one. Hey. If you know the one you can play, just carry it. Hey. Because as it stands now, there is no time. Let's see if we can meet up with something. Yes.
Mama, I want to go for the evening rehearsals.
Okay, go. Huh? But remember, come back before it gets dark. Huh?
Let me hurry up. Bye-bye, Mama.
Thank you.
Yes, we have been playing for some time now. Yes. Let us now follow the proper procedure. I believe we have many dancers here. I said I believe we have many dancers here. Thank you. If you know you can dance very well, yes, if you know you can represent us very well in dancing and challenge Amawo Zuzu village, come out. Oh!
No, Chetanna, wait. Yeah. Wait. To me, I would suggest, before anybody will come out here to dance, let us wait for Oledo. Yes. Because she's the one that will teach them the dance step. She's the one that knows how to do.
So what are you saying? You mean these people are not good enough? Are they not dancers?
But Oledo is better. So we need to wait for her so that she will come and teach them on how to shake. You know what I'm talking about?
No problem. No problem. Let us be waiting. That means everybody here will not be useful. We'll just be sitting down waiting for one person. You people should go now. Let us wait for her.
Please go and sit down.
Ulimma. How about your parents?
They are fine.
Good.
Mama, is Oledo around?
No. She's not around. I sent her on an errand to my friend's place. Yes. But I guess she will soon be on her way coming back.
Because I came to see if she was ready, so we can go to the evening rehearsals together.
I've even forgotten she told me about it. Yeah, don't worry. Like I said, she will soon be on her way coming back. Enugo?
But I'll be leaving now. But please tell her that I came.
Okay. Tell others that she will soon join them.
Oh? Bye-bye.
They shouldn't be angry,
Bye-bye, Mom.
Bye, Nne. Badaya, oh?
What in the name of the cause are we waiting for?
I don't know.
I said it Oledo will not come. Did I not say it earlier?
How are you sure?
Oh, you're asking me. Alright, when we are done waiting, we'll all go home. I'm gonna want in the minute.
Yes, ma'am. No. If it's going
Yes, Mama. I have given it to her.
That's good. Uli was here a while ago.
Uli?
Yes, Uli.
Name what for?
She came to check up on you. And also for the two of you to go for evening rehearsals together.
Name, I don't really know what she wants from me. I don't know.
Nothing but friendship. She wants to be your friend. And I'm sure she means no harm.
But you know already that I am not interested in keeping friends. You know now.
I know, my child. But Uli is a nice girl. Yes. And as a mother, I see merit if you should have her as a friend.
Okay, if you say so.
I said so.
But let me hurry up to the rehearsal. When I come back, I'll see you.
It's a word.
Let me pick something.
Why are we still waiting for Oledo? As if she's the only person that knows how to dance.
But she's the only one that knows the dance step we want to rehearse, right?
If she doesn't come, let us change the dance step and learn a new one.
Well, I have a new dance step to teach us.
Oma, hold your dance step. Just hold it. You were here the day we were looking for a dance step to rehearse. Did you come up with any? Now Oledo has come up with her own. You want us to forget about it and start over to rehearse your own. That's not possible.
Finally, here comes her almighty fighter.
Summer, watch what you say.
Because
please, Uli, did you in any way see Oledo? Or is she not coming for rehearsals today?
She will soon come.
When? Huh? When? Is it when darkness falls upon us?
Please wait, she will soon come.
I greet everyone here. Please, I am really sorry.
Just hold your greetings and your apologies. What do you even take us for? Who do you think you are?
But Cheta, I was just about to say I am sorry.
And I'm telling you that I don't need your apology.
Cheta, calm down. It's okay.
What do you mean calm down? You think I'm jobless? Eh? You know how many things I have to do for today? Just wasted my whole day. We're here waiting for you.
See, now she's finally here. Let's forget about this quarrel.
If I remember you, If I remember you, just stay on your own. Don't allow me to remember you. And you is enough. I don't need your apology. Even the gods know I don't need your. Start dancing that whatever thing you are dancing. Start here. Let me blow this thing and go and get busy with myself. Won't you dance? You like, don't dance well.
Keep your good day to yourself. Where's your son, Dike?
No, is there any problem?
I said, where is Dike, your son? Come and see what you have done. Come and see what your trap has done to my daughter. Come and see.
I don't understand you.
You don't understand me? Eh? Okay. You left where ordinarily you should set your trap for animals. And you set it for human beings. Okay? Your plans have worked. Now, come and see what your trap has done to my daughter's leg.
Nai, how would that be possible?
Come and see. Come and see by yourself. Come and see.
I don't understand it.
See what your trap has done to my daughter's leg? Hey. Are you seeing it?
Hey, Chimo. Please, Nai, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I didn't set a trap for a human. It is an animal trap.
Why then did it catch my daughter's leg? Why?
Why even Biko wait to be This is just an accident.
An accident. You know, accident.
So what do we do now? What do we do now? Look.
No. I think I know what to do. Yes. If you can give me a little time, let me just go into the bush and get some herbs. Just give me a little time, I'm coming.
Biki mo kwanki ge me ya o. Me kwa your sister o.
Ada sorry, nwa m ndo ino.
Easy. Sorry. Easy now. Do you want your biko? Easy. Do you want your no?
Yeah. She will be alright. She will be alright.
Very well then.
Yeah. And one more thing. I advise that she should stop walking with this leg for now. Yes. Because the more she walk with the leg on the ground, the wider the wound becomes. Yes. You know that the trap is metal. Yes. And I have managed to use this herb to neutralize the power of the metal to avoid a jam. Yes. But she will get better.
How soon is that going to be?
That I don't know for now, but I know that she will get better soon. Yes, I will constantly be coming to the house here to give her the treatment so that the wound can heal fast. Yes, I will do that.
Very well then. Very well.
My leg hurts. Sorry.
The hotness is the sign that the herb is working. Yes, it's working. The hotness will soon calm down. You will get better. Don't worry yourself. I know what I apply to it. It's a very strong herb. Yes.
But now that you have said she should not walk around with her leg on the ground, who is going to do her housework now? I'm asking you, who?
Greetings, Ezelijo.
I greet you too. Elders of our great land, Omegwe, forgive me if I may ask, why is the heavy rain falling on a dry season?
Wise one, Minioma has been without a pretext for some time now. You also told us that the gods were angry. The gods choose someone that will serve as a pretext. Again, we hear that the same gods change their mind. How is it possible?
My elders, like you all know, I am just a borrowed mouth, and I speak when the gods want me to. I speak when the gods want me to, and no mortal man can change that. And we mortals can do nothing about it.
Is this decision of theirs not going to instigate confusion in Imwigwe?
Every decision made by the gods is for a reason, and no mortal can question them. No mortal.
Far from that, we are only worried and scared that
every decision made by the gods is not of evil. You just go home and rest your minds. Nothing has gone wrong yet.
Wise one, with all due respect, since they don't want one false daughter, who then did they want?
Let us wait patiently for the gods.
Now, welcome. Now, welcome.
How did the meeting with Chief Priest go? Any good news? There is no good news yet. He still did not tell us why the gods changed their mind.
But did he in any way say that the gods were angry?
But we are not fully convinced that all is well.
Who then have the gods chosen to replace Oloido?
For now, nobody. I get quite carry.
Nah, I will soon finish. Let's say you eat first.
I'm hungry.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Let me go and get more 2 times so that I can feed the pot.
Mbano, we can manage the one you fetched.
Mama, don't worry yourself. Let me get 2 more times to feed the pot.
Biko, I really feel bad to see a young man like you doing my daughter's chores for me. Biko, no, Mama,
We can manage the... Bikono.
Mama, it's nothing, no. No, voluntarily I want to do it. It's nothing. I do things like this in my own house. You know, I stay with my mother. I help her in doing some, you know, some things, domestic work. So let me just do it. And don't worry yourself.
Oledo will soon get better. And she will continue from where you stopped.
I know.
Bikono.
Don't worry. Eh?
It's
nothing. Come here, chute. Look at lay here. Come chute the money. Come put that.
Chineke me. Kill the mother be here, Bikono. Ekwe. Here.
Hola.
DK.
How are you?
I am fine.
And the leg?
It is better.
The gods be praised. So, how about your parents?
My mother, she's inside, but my father has gone out.
Okay, it's alright. I have come to carry your water pot so that I can go to the stream and fetch some water for you people.
DK, you need to stop this.
Stop what?
Fetching water for me, firewood, sweeping the compound. You have done a lot for me. Please.
Oh, I don't like to hear something like this. Eh? What have I done that you said I have done a lot? Eh? I caused you this pen. Just allow me, let me share the same pens with you. What is your problem? Eh? It's nothing. Me carrying the water pot, go to the stream there, fetch you some water. At least before I fetch 5 to 10 times, you should be able to have a lot of water here to use. Eh? So don't stop me, please.
You didn't cause it. It was an accident. Moreover, I am getting better.
I know you are getting better. But it is nothing. It is absolutely nothing. Me go in there, get the pot, fetch you water. Eh? You need to bathe. Just...
No, Father, I disagree. I disagree completely. Am I the one who pushed her into the trap?
Shut up your mouth. I thought you were merely joking. I can see some level of madness has entered your head. Eh? You are going to see Oledo and see how she's faring. Period.
Father, with due respect, I say no. Sorry to disagree with you. I'm not going anywhere.
In that case, we shall know who is the father in this house. Either you or me.
Yeah. Father, it has not gotten to this. Why are you taking this thing serious?
I have to take it serious because I can see you are losing your mind. It is your destiny to sing the Egundo that will bring that girl back to life. What will the people say if anything happens to her?
Father, I do not care. Let the people say anything they want to say. I have my own life to live.
Agreed. The gods of Umigwe will not forgive you if you do anything contrary to your destiny.
Father, it is not my destiny. It is her own destiny, not mine.
It is your destiny to play the Egundo that will revive her and bring her back to life.
I don't understand. I'm tired of this Egundo thing. Can't some other person sing it? Or some Ghana Egundo. All the other villagers, don't they know that Egundo song? Let them sing it for her now.
Chetanna. Chetanna. How many times have I called you? Whenever I tell you what ought to be, you turn around and tell me what ought not to be. Let me tell you, I'm going in now, and when I come back, we are going to Wapa's place to see you later. Period.
What's all this now? What's all this now? I'm like, I have my own life to do again.
Did he change anything?
At least you and my father will allow me to rest now. Mama, how are you?
I'm just coming from your house, and your father said you're not around.
We went to see. We went to see somebody.
Okay. My mom will soon return from the market, and I have to be at home before she returns. I'll see you tomorrow.
Ain't that for me, huh?
What was that for?
What was what? What was what? Huh?
Chetanna.
What was what for?
Why didn't you tell her where we went?
It's your business. Me take on
Chetanna. I get no to that.
So this is it. Elma, this is it, right?
So Malgini, what are you doing here?
Chetanna, how could you?
How could I do what?
How could you do this?
Is this thing by force? I've told you I'm not. Stop following me about. I told them, let me be.
Oma, I thought you're my friend.
What is it? We are not friends. Just go.
Chetanna. It's not
Is it by force? Lipu.
What's the
Leave.
now?
I thought you're my friend.
I'm not your friend. Go.
Somebody doesn't want something. You are forcing the person to. Is it that I told them? Go and give to other people. There are other men in the village. They want that thing. I don't want. I found my own. Well, let's say I'll give you special tune.
Yes.
Special tune.
Yes.
Oh! Ngongo.
Why are you crying? Talk to me.
Ikirukoma has killed me.
What did she do to you?
Oma has finished me. I saw Oma with Chetanna. I went to see him at the rehearsal ground. On getting there, I saw Oma dancing with Chetanna.
How? I mean, how did it happen?
Oma has finished me. Oma has taken Chetanna away from me.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
You
sorry.
understand.
I do. Just take it easy. So sorry. Take it easy. Easy.
Is this for real?
Yes, for real. Very, very serious. Oma is the girl I've chosen. She's the beautiful girl I want to marry. In fact, very soon I'll be going to see her parents.
You say? Wait. It's again.
Exactly what?
Cheta, see, unless you want to kill your father.
Because your father, I know, will not be happy about it. Now, if you marry Oma, what will happen to Oledo?
Good question. What happens to her then?
And how is that my business? Anything can happen to her. Should that concern me? What are you people even saying? I cannot marry a girl who drops dead occasionally. Is that one a human being? And not just that, she has problems. She lies, she cheats, and she has spiritual and physical problems. I cannot marry her. No.
Cheta, let me ask you a question. How did you know she cheats? Have you caught her before?
Yes. As he came here can testify. He came saw her with Ebube holding hands at the river bank.
So who? See, Cheta, don't tell me you are. Just don't be ridiculous. Do not be ridiculous. We are all playing that day now. Don't tell me that you took this matter so serious like that. We are all playing that day when you told me that you saw Amara with a man dancing.
And I swear I told you that I saw Oledo with Ebube making love at the river bank. So you took that matter serious?
Of course I took it serious. You too, don't tell me you now want to start saying another thing, no? Because the day you said it, you were very serious. Now you see that I'm serious, you want to turn it to a joke. I say. I even confronted her. She tried to deny it, but me, I'm a man now. I looked deep into her eyes and I realized that she was lying. From that day, I hated her till now. I'm done with her. Like I said before, I am done. Everything I've been doing for her, I've just been helping her. It's not as if I actually have feelings for her. And I am done helping.
I want to know something from you. Have you ever asked me, or did you ask me who Ebube is before you took the matter as far as this?
And what is my business in it? Ebube can be anybody to her. I do not care. That is their business. Even the wonderful girl I want to marry, Oma told me that I should not go close to Olaido again. And because I love Oma so much, I will respect that. I am done with her, like I said. If she drops dead again, fine. Let it be how the gods want it. Let her die. I cannot kill myself.
Oma this, Oma that. What has this Oma given to you to eat?
Joya, answer the question. See, let me tell you, Chetanna. If anything happened to Oledo, if anything happened to that girl, the gods of Umigwe will not forgive you.
Because you now work with the gods.
I've told you.
You assist the gods, so when they plan not to forgive anybody, they will tell you first. People, I'm done with you. It's obvious you have nothing else to say. Excuse me.
Cheta, remember that Oledo's life is your destiny.
When you are ready, come to me. Let me teach you the song. Anytime she drops dead, you sing it.
Gods of our land. Is this yours?
Wait, are you sure Chetanna is the right frame of mind? Or does he actually realize that this is a matter of life and death?
Gods of Umigwe. Gods of Umigwe. Please, do not allow anything to happen to Oledo.
What happened?
Okay, good afternoon.
Afternoon? Why did you come to my house? If you needed anything, you would have sent for me. Instead of coming. How is the leg?
Fine, but I don't need anything. I was tired staying at home, so I needed somebody to talk to.
Okay. Sit down.
But I can see you are ready for hunting, so I should be on my way. I don't want to disturb you.
You can be on your way. I am ready to forget everything I have to do today. Let me just forget it, just to be with you. Is that okay by you?
It's okay.
Then sit down.
Thank you.
Let me just sit down. Let me send mine. It won't do all this thing.
Summa, please. Find it in your heart to forgive me. I know I wronged you.
Chetanna, you did not wrong me. You made your choice. You chose my best friend over me.
I understand the way you feel.
You don't understand. Chetanna, you don't understand a bit of how I feel. You only do things that pleases you, not minding who it turns out to hurt. Why are you here now begging me to forgive you and forget my best friend who took you away from me?
No matter what, just forgive me so that we can both move on. I know by now you've heard that I'll be going to see Oma's people soon.
Yes, I heard that and I hold nothing against that. Let me also tell you, in case you've not heard, Aguma, a successful young farmer from Umeze, will be coming to see my people soon. As you can see, I'll be getting married. The girls are not asleep. If you don't mind, I was busy before you came.
Summa, wait, Summa.
Nine. This is quite strange.
My wife, indeed it is strange.
It's been 2 days now since the new moon came out. And our daughter has not dropped dead.
The gods are not asleep. Who knows? They might have heard us and decided to remove the tears from our eyes.
Nine. Let's keep our fingers crossed and watch her for today. If this didn't happen, Nine, I will not know how to express my joy.
There is something certain that I know.
What?
Everything does not last forever.
Izuku.
Chetanna has decided, in fact he has vowed, that he is no longer going to sing the Egundu to revive our daughter. Well, who knows? The gods might have healed her.
Nine. Hey! You may be right. Let's not say anything about it now. Let's watch her. If this didn't happen, then we'll know what next to do.
Exactly. Exactly. Well, okay. Let me go and see my friend.
Nine. Make sure you come back earlier.
What is it now? Certainly, I will come back.
You're not supposed to leave us like that.
I will come back soon. I won't
Don't leave me with
No,
her
I
alone.
won't stay long. Eh?
Greetings, Ola.
Greetings, my good friend.
Dike, how are you?
How is your foot?
It's healing. The gods be praised.
And I want to also thank you specially for coming to my aid. I now know the true meaning of a good friend. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Uli, I have made up my mind to be your friend.
Are you serious?
Yes. So can we?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Dike.
So, where are you going to?
I was going back to my house.
Okay.
Let me join you, Papa.
It's okay.
The song of life, so costly, only the gods know.
Strong. So, you can go now so that I can run.
Thank you so much, Dike.
Why don't keep me?
For coming to keep me company. You made my day. Thank you.
It's my pleasure. Urubunkem.
Hey, you're nice.
Anyway, I have to be on my way now. However, my regard to your mother, your father.
It's okay. I will. And my regards to your mother too.
I will surely do that. Bye-bye.
What?
Hola.
Mama!
Hola.
Mama! Mama, get
Get up. Hola, get up now.
Hola.
Are you playing?
Hola.
Hey! Dike, Biko. Help me, let's carry her to Chetanna, Biko.
Chetanna?
Yes.
Who is Chetanna?
Chetanna.
Why taking her to
Chetanna is the Yerumaka.
Mama, wait. There are more to what I know. Listen, this thing, when my father was alive, my late father told me the mysteries behind this. I'm already aware. I have been waiting for a day like this to come. So give me space. Let me do this one. I will return her back to life. Allow me. I will try my best. I will try.
Biko Dike, the more we waste time, the more we lose our chances of coming back to life. Biko,
the only thing is just help. Let us take her inside. I'll leave the rest for
Mama, let's try it now.
Just carry it. Just carry it. Let's carry her.
Hey, Diko, you're not joking.
Mama.
What is it?
Mama.
Eh?
To just drop dead now.
She came away, Joe. There is a flutist they used to take her to each time she got problem like this. Have they taken her to
They told me about the flutist. They told me Chetanna.
Yes.
But I decided that they should not take her to anywhere.
Why?
Because I want to do it myself. I cannot watch Oledo die like that.
Dike, what do you think you can do in this matter? What do you think you can do? You don't know how to sing a Gundu song, or do you?
Oh, Mama, are you telling me that it is only a Gundu they sing for anybody that die? Is it what you are telling me? Mama, you are
stubborn. You are stubborn. See, let me tell you, the matter of Oledo is complicated. And it takes only the Egundu to bring her back to life.
Oh, Mama. Listen, let me tell you, Mama. I am seeing that you don't know your son, Dike. Have you forgotten so soon all that Papa taught me before he died? Mama, don't worry,
Please, my son, you have to come home with me at once. I just got home a while ago, only to see that my daughter has dropped dead again. Please, you have to help me.
Honestly, Ichie, I do not know why you are kneeling down for me. Believe me, I don't know why you are kneeling down. I've told you before, whatever concerns your daughter right now is no longer my business. I've washed my hands off it. Leave me alone.
Please, if you do not come and sing the Egundu for her, she will die. She will die and she will not resurrect.
Then let her die. Let her die. Will she be the first person? Won't your daughter die someday? Will she live forever in this world? She will die someday. Now, even me, I'll die. You too, you will die. Let her die. I'm tired. Let me be, please. Get somebody else to sing that thing for her.
Please, my son. Please. Have pity. Have pity on me, please.
What is happening? Why is it that nobody is listening to me? Am I a child? Am I a child? I now talk, nobody will listen to me. Why can't you people do what I want? Why can't I even do what I want to do? Why must my life be about another person's life? I'm not doing this. I'm not singing anything for her. Let me be. Please.
She will die. Would you just watch Oledo die just like that?
I will not be there to watch her. I will not be there because it has nothing to do with me. But like I said before, one day she will die. If that day happens to be today, fine. That's what the gods want. Maybe I will die too, like I said. You too, you will die. Everybody in this village will die. Let her die now. Let me be.
Biko, no, Chita, Biko. Okay, alright. Just follow me home today and sing the song for her. Tomorrow, you can decide not to sing again. Biko, no, Biko.
I am not singing.
Biko.
I am not singing. Go out there and get somebody to sing for her. Simple.
Please.
Chief, please just get up and stop doing this thing to yourself. Biko, just get up. I've told you, I am not singing. If the gods want her to die today, fine. Let it be. After all, we will all die. Someday, even me, the singer, I will die. You too, you will die, Chief. Let me be. Keep saying this thing, nobody is listening to me. let me even ask you, Jay. All these years that I've been singing Egundu for, why didn't you bother to learn the song? Yes, you should have called me one side and said, my son, teach me this song because you need to learn it. Every time, once she drops it, you come and call me. She drop it again, you call me. As a concerned father, you should have learned this song. Every time you're coming to disturb me, is it fair? No, check it. Is it fair? This kind of thing, you learn Egundu, you sing Egundu. Let me leave me alone.
Papa, I easily get angry. See, I quickly get angry. Anytime I'm doing a work like this and somebody beside me is shedding tears, I don't like it. Okay. I'm not just a hunter the way you know. I am like a herbalist as well. Because of many things my late father taught me before. You see.
Scared. I'm scared, my son. I'm scared.
Papa, please listen. What I need from you now is just to keep a watch on her.
Okay.
Till I go and come.
Okay.
Certainly she will leave.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Keep a watch on her.
Okay.
Do not touch the collar I place upon her chest.
Okay.
Until I get back.
Okay.
Let me be on my way now.
Okay.
Immediately to the bush.
Hello.
I'll be right back.
Hello. Hello. Oh.
Nkiruka, where are you worried to?
Are you the only one in this village that doesn't know what's happening?
What is happening?
Oledo just dropped dead, and Chetanna has refused to sing the Egundu to bring her back to life.
Ewo, that means Oledo has finally died.
That was what I thought too. Not until I came across Only. And she told me one hunter wants to bring her back to life.
So how is that possible? Does he know how to sing the Egundu?
That I do not know. I'm going there to see things myself.
In that case, I'm coming with you. Let's go.
Chetanna has vowed not to come close to my daughter again.
Chai! The evil spiritual beings have eaten the hot cocoyam. Chetanna, this is not good at all. It is not.
Sometimes I wonder what these children are turning into. Is this not pure wickedness?
That is pure wickedness. Wickedness of the highest order.
Imagine my elders. My daughter is lying in there now, lifeless. And what makes me most is that I, the father, I cannot do anything to bring her back to life.
Hold yourself, Biko. You are a man. Hold yourself. We understand how you feel. We understand how you feel. But I want you to know that whatever that happened for a purpose. And only the gods alone knows why it happens that way.
But if I may ask, what is Chetanna's reason for not to come to sing the Egundo? To revive your daughter?
Elders, I don't know. I don't know what I and my family have done to that boy. I have promised him more than what I can afford. Just to make sure that when times like this come, he will be there for me. He will be there for me.
I really do not know how to thank you for all that you've been doing for my family. The gods alone will bless you and give you long life.
You say...
Tita, you hold the life of my daughter in your hands. Invariably. The life I live today is you. If anything happens to her, I will kill myself.
Wafo, how do you talk like this? The gods of our land forbid anybody from taking his own life to Fiakwa.
As you know, silver or gold I do not have. But there's something I want to say here and now. Cheta, I know that you and my daughter have very strong feelings for each other. I also know that both of you will get married soon. Aniele, I want you to be a witness to what I'm going to say here and now. Cheta, I give you all my possession. Yes. My farmlands, my yam bands, all of them belong to you. Henceforth.
No, it's too much. What will I do with all those things? I do not need them.
There is nothing too much for a man who holds the life of my daughter in his hands. This is just a little way of me showing my appreciation, just to say thank you.
Well, no, I really appreciate it, but you see, what I've been doing for your daughter, you know, it's not for me to get paid. No, I do it because I love your daughter. Huh?
I know, true. That is why, like I said before, I know that both of you will get married soon.
Yes, but why don't you wait for us to get married first? And then you will decide on what to give to us. I think this is too much.
Okay, no problem. But, please, whenever we need you to come sing the Egundu for my daughter, please make yourself available for us.
You have nothing to worry about.
My friend, you know, I don't just see you as a friend. I have always seen you as an in-law, a father-in-law to my family. If he doesn't listen to you, who else will he listen to?
I will always come.
Thank Thank you, my son.
Thank you. You can see, I have promised to give him all that I have. Just to show to him that I am grateful. But now, look at it.
Manfo, it's okay. It's okay. The gods know why it happened this way. Huh? But what did Anele say when you went there? Or is Anele in any way in support of what his son did?
I went to his house, but I did not meet him at home. Perhaps by now, he would have been back.
It's okay. There will be no problem. The elders will take care of that. Huh? But be strong. Please, be strong. Huh? Only the gods, you know, they are not asleep. The gods are not asleep.
I am just like a man whose chi has failed.
Mbano, Mwafo. Mbano, don't talk like that. Please watch what you say, especially to the gods.
The gods have abandoned me. Do you know how many times I have consulted the gods to know the situation or condition of my daughter? All that the Ezedibia keeps telling me is that the gods have nothing to say. The gods have nothing to say. Where are the gods? Where are the gods? I know, I ask you, my elders, where are the gods? Where are the gods? When my only child is lying in there, lifeless, waiting to be buried.
Greetings, my love.
What troubles my bride?
The talk about your refusal to sing Oledo back to life is everywhere in the village.
Well, I expected it.
Oh, you do?
Of course. I knew that people would talk. Or they can go ahead and say whatever they want to say. I've made up my mind.
You know, I fear for you. I fear that the youth may do something back to you the way it's going now. Everyone sees it as wickedness.
Well, it's not wickedness. It's not wickedness at all. I have tried. Huh? All my life I have been singing the Egundu for her. All my life. Season after season. Year after year. Months after months. I've tried. Huh? Someone else can go ahead and sing. Besides, you see all these youths that are making noise. None of them will do what I've done for her without asking for money. None of them. I've tried.
Yeah? On the contrary, it seems someone else wants to bring her back to life.
Huh? Someone else. That is not possible. That is impossible. Even Ezedibia cannot bring her back to life. Nobody. Only one person can. That person is me. So who then?
One stupid hunter from Nguta called Dike the Hunter.
Dike? Oh, Dike the Hunter. The one is trapped.
Yes, my lord.
Ah! Who taught him Egundu? He think is to go and set trap and catch bushmeat and catch rat. It's not possible now. Ah.
I just want to go and feed my eyes, just to see things for myself.
Go there, eh? Whatever you see, come and tell me.
Okay.
Ah.
I will do as she said.
Go. Go. Dike the Hunter. Who taught him Egundu? Think he used to come and set trap and catch lizard and catch rat.
Anele! Anele! Anele!
What is law? Let me go and check. Does it mean that Anele did not know what his son has done?
Exactly. That is why we are here. To know if Anele did not know what his son has done. This is a serious matter. And we will not take it lightly with Chetanna. Especially if anything bad happens to one of us daughter. You can see something bad have already happened. Chetanna will not go unpunished for this wicked act. What do we do?
What is this situation? DK has gone to get leave, and since then no one has seen him.
That means no more. Has he run away?
For now, there's no hope. I just came here to watch what is happening.
Is he not yet back? Is DK not yet back? Hi! Isi m n'ozugbo. Ofu mkpụrụ anya nji afụ ụzọ. N'ile anya onwere onye ọzọ. Hi!
Were you able to get the leave? Nah. Were you able to get the leaves? I'm asking you, were you able to get the leave?
Okay, please stop. Because one of
Can you just say something?
Hi!
Say something, please.
I'm sorry to disappoint all of you. I did not get the leave.
Is he not yet back? My daughter is dead. DK, where are you?
Nobody knows what is holding him. I'm getting tired.
Mama, how is my daughter?
She's still in her lifeless state.
Hey! That means my daughter is dead. My only child is dead.
She's not dead.
Gods of our land. Gods of our land.
I just returned from my farm settlement, only to hear of this sad news. Please, my friend, put yourself together.
Actually, my daughter is dead. My only child. She's dead. She's dead.
Resuscitate her. Please, put yourself together. Gods of our land, how could this happen? How could this happen?
You can go back! Hey! Go back! I'm not.
I got delivered.
Let's be praised.
Loser. Yes. Untie her. Please, somebody should get me water.
Okay.
Get me water. Mama, keep off. It's a spiritual walk.
to pay the gift of life, the song of life, so costly, only the gods know.
How is this even possible? Oledo, brought back to life without the Egundu. No, Tata, I still cannot believe this. Oh, if it's true, how do I face Oledo? How do I even explain this to my father if he asks me? How do I tell him? The whole village will now see me as a bad person. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Anyway, it's even better that she has finally gotten a solution. At least I can rest. Can rest.
Ekwela ka ọ baa gị isi maka na ka ịma nke a ịma nke ọzọ nwere amamihe nwere obi umeanị wee sobe ụwa chi gị.
Ezedibia, the eye of the gods. You are welcome to my territory. And I know your visit is for good.
They say the secret, the sweetness and bitterness of anything that enters the mouth is never told the teeth until it is revealed by the tongue. I bring a message from the gods. Where is your daughter?
My daughter?
Yes, Oma, your daughter.
I hope there's no problem.
Fetch her for me immediately.
Yes, Ezedibia. My daughter is here.
Obodo.
Ezedibia, eye of the God.
You have to prepare your daughter, for she has been chosen by the gods to be the next priestess of Mirama. This is the message from the gods.
Eh?
No.
Ezedibia.
No.
Ah, my daughter. My daughter, my daughter.
My daughter.
In 7 days, the rituals will be performed by the gods. And the offer of Mirama will officially be handed over to her. This is the message from the gods. I take my leave now. Namere mudele, bamba mudele, hey, offer, bamba mudele, hey, mudele, bamba mudele, bamba mudele, hey, mudele, bamba mudele.
What have you going to do?
Thank you for the cola nut. DK, we do not know how to thank you. That is why you see we have come with the he-goat and the she-goat. Just to say thank you to you. You are the gods we see now. This is 2 months now since you healed our daughter and brought her back to life.
It's true.
Unlike before, at the rise of a new moon, our daughter drops dead. I can confidently tell you now, as I sit here, that 2 new moons have come and gone. And our daughter is still feeling very well and alive.
Yes.
The gods be praised.
DK. May the gods of our land bless you.
DK, I now believe that our meeting was not accidental, but divine.
I have come to officially ask for your daughter's hand in marriage.
Yay!
9. I love her so much. I want to marry her.
You love who? You want to marry who? Say it again, let me hear. Say it again, Jamuna Ipilia. Do you hear me? Just take this your drink and leave this place. I got Pilia. This is my girl. Leave her alone. Just leave her. Leave. Go. Nah, pardon my outburst. I greet you.
And what are you doing here?
My love, I've come to ask for your hand in marriage. I've realized that both of us are destined to be together.
That destiny was there when you wanted me dead, right? Now you're the worst creature that I don't want to see.
Right. My love, do not sound like this, please. Oh, I'm begging you. It's still me. It's me, Chetanna. I love you very much. The truth is, the gods want us together. And I must fulfill the purpose of the gods.
I cannot marry you. And never will I. Now, say something now.
What do you want me to say? Eh?
Yeah.
What do you want me to say here now? Eh?
Please. Remember, it's me, oh. Biko, I'm begging you. Pardon me. I know I offended you. But it's still me, your son Chetanna. The one who always sings the Egundu for her anytime she drops dead. And remember, I've been singing this for many years. Oh, forgive me.
How do you want him to forgive you when you wanted our only child to die?
Naibiko.
Zania!
Pardon me. Oh, I know I offended you, but it is still me, your son, Chetanna. The same Chetanna who always sings the Egundu for her anytime she drops dead. Oh, forgive me. I know I Emetaromia. That is the truth. I wronged you. You see, I just don't know what came over me. I was just my friends deceived me. My friends confused me. They kept on telling me that it's time for me to stop singing the Egundu for her. But you know, this is what I've done for many years, happily, with so much pride, with so much love for her. Bikonai, allow me to marry her, please.
The gods forbid. I cannot marry you. I have made up my mind to marry Dike. He saved my life.
My love, you are right. I agree with you. Dike saved your life. But it was just once. Me, I've been saving your life for many years now. Countless times. Pardon me, Biko. Like I said, I don't know what happened. It was my friends that deceived me. Don't do this to me now, Biko. Everybody will laugh at me. The entire village will laugh at me. You are the only one remaining for me to marry. Soma is already married. She has followed the farmer. Oma is now the priestess of Miriama. Bikono, just you and I left. And if you look at this thing very well, you realize that the gods really want us together.
Well, rise, my son. Things that happen in this life happen for special reasons. They have purpose. Your refusal to come and sing the Egundu for my daughter the other day helped us to have a permanent solution to our daughter's problem. I have always believed in what the gods said about both of you. Oledo, you will marry Chetanna.
But Papa, he wanted me dead.
Ola, please. Ola, Biko, listen to your father. He's a man of wisdom. What an old man like him sees sitting down. Even if you climb the highest tree, you cannot sit. Before now, he has seen something. Respect that thing he has seen.
Yes, he has been there for you. He has been there for you for so many years. So why would you now, just because of one single error, that he failed to come and sing the Egundu, you now want to accuse him and spoil the good relationship that we have been building and we have sustained for all these years? Let us forgive him. Let us forgive him.
Thank you, Nai.
Teta, I want to advise you. Whatever the gods have destined should be, will be. And when you have the opportunity to carry out what the gods have said should be, don't feel proud. No matter how we offend the gods, they still find a way to forgive us. Chetanna, I forgive you.
Thank you, Nai.
Dike, I don't know how to thank you. I don't know how to thank you. But I am going to reward you. You are a very mighty person. That's what your name is, Dike. And you have exemplified it in our family.
Thank you, man.
And I would love to reward you. All my farmland at Azun, I give them to you. They are all yours. It's just my little way of showing my appreciation to say thank you. I've given everything to you. There's no other way I can show my appreciation. Please forgive me if I call you my son. You deserve it because now you are part of our family.
Nine. I thank you so much. I thank you for appreciating me. I also want to thank you for the land. But let me say it clearly, that no matter the size of land, no matter the number of land you think you can give to me, it is not enough. It cannot be compared to the love I have for your daughter. I have developed much love for your daughter. I really wanted to marry her. But anyway, Chetanna, I know you were in this race before I came in.
Long before you.
And I was thinking that you are no more interested.
You thought wrong. I'm fully interested.
It's alright. Now that you still have interest, who am I to change what the gods have made to be together?
Thank you.
And I have seen it, that the gods, they made it that both of you should be together.
A real man.
I want to give up on this race. Oledo, go ahead and marry Chetanna. Congratulations.
A real man.
Thank you so much. Thank you for saving my life. You are a true friend.
It's alright. Go ahead and marry Chetanna. I have seen that both of you are meant to be one. The gods have made it to be so. Marry Chetanna.
Shall be well with you, Dike.
The gift of life.